Is this one probably gonna be a quick update. The beard, I didn't comb it out or anything, but this is week 10, and I mean it's getting thicker. And I can say one thing: I don't have any split ends. I don't see any split ends, so I can zoom in, but I haven't seen any split ends, and I got minimal breakage. So when you're combing it through and you're seeing little hairs fall out, so I take the beard oil, Rich by Rick Ross, and some of the BB, and I pretty much can say I guess it's working, because I'm keeping it, I'm moisturizing my skin, making sure that even like you touch right now, see it's a little shiny, so I'm keeping it moisturized. So by doing that, I guess, and it's growing real well. It's also starting to grow even in other places, like right here, and it's coming through. It's coming through a lot good. A lot better than what I pretty much remember. But yeah, it's growing. And even parts of it is longer. Like I said before, my sideburns grow a little bit longer. But yeah, my hair is growing thicker, stronger, and longer. And I even had some of them that was like this long. I'm not gonna pull it or anything. I'm actually gonna make sure I stop, rubbing it and stuff. That takes the oils off and stuff. So I didn't wash my hands. So I just wanted to show you how moisturized and how greased up I have it. Not just for the hair on it, but for the skin underneath. So by having the skin underneath it moisturized, that it'll help it to grow. And as it grow, and I was also looking at some, I forgot what the dude's name was, but he was talking about how beard oil helps. And so I looked they had like 5 different steps. One step was, keeping it, moisturized. Another step was exercise. Another one was it maybe even go to a barber and keep it trimmed up or whatever. I don't know if I'm gonna do that just yet, but maybe soon. I might have a couple guys that I might want to get it done. I really never really went to the barber. I used to have long hair, and then when I cut the long hair off, I cut my hair real down low to a bald style. So other than that, I just kept it the way I just did it myself. But things you should be able to grow or try different things. So hopefully, he can make it look better. I got a couple of different barbers that I probably might go to. But, the beard's still coming in this week 10. Week 10, so it's almost, 2 months. Or just a little bit over 2 months, because 4 weeks, 10 months. So week 10, so, like I said, it's growing. Not too much to look at too much this week, but maybe next week it'll get a growth spurt or something like that. I don't know. But thank y'all for checking out. Again, I'm gonna include some of my folks down below. So if you like checking this out or learning about your beard or whatever, subscribe, like the video, but also check them out too. I'm gonna try to, like I said, I'm trying to have everything that I use either have some links below. I'm gonna start adding that link below. So if you want to check out some of this beard oil, you can check that beard oil out. And like I said, holler at some of my friends, and y'all have a stupendous, not just a regular day. Like someone said, how you doing today? I said, stupendous. She said, oh, that's good. I said, no, that's not good. That's stupendous. You feel what I'm saying? But y'all have a wonderful and stupendous day.